Hi, everybody. My name is Kyle Wood, and today I'll be talking to you about the feedback I was provided with from Cambridge Write and Improve. We will take a look at two of the uh, sample essays I provided them with. Sample essay number one, they provided three instances of feedback. For the first one, they highlighted the word was, and they marked it as an agreement issue. This word does not agree with the other words around it. Check your grammar. Perhaps were is better. These sentences, we arrived a day ahead and we was very tired. They provided the correct word were, which this is what I was intending for them to focus on the past tense plural be verb, whereas I provided them with the singular past tense be verb. Another instance, they highlighted the word, the article the. This word may not be needed, extra word. Is your writing clear without it? This is very peculiar that they highlighted this word and did not notice the incorrect spelling of the word exciting right here. They felt this was an extra word, which I think maybe in most cases it would be if you have not visited Hong Kong or not familiar with the area. If you are familiar with the area and culturally aware, then the Big Buddha would probably not mark that or leave that, just not address that issue. But it's obvious that this program does not have cultural awareness as to that sense. But I was kind of taken back that it did not highlight some of the spelling errors as well. Thoughts on provided feedback. The program had difficulty highlighting the present tense and past tense verb forms. So my intended thoughts or my intended message for this writing sample was to provide errors in the present tense and past tense verb forms and to see if it could locate or to highlight common errors within the writing sample, and the program failed to do so. For example, the top first sentence, when I am 12 years old, I visit Hong Kong, I see my family. Right off the bat, there's three errors. When I was 12 years old, I visited Hong Kong, I saw my family. So these are some of the errors that I would have marked if I was marking this sample writing, because they're very evident throughout the entirety of the writing sample. The errors that they did mark, that the program did mark, they are helpful, but I don't think they're helpful for the writer's overall writing proficiency. For sample essay 2, the program provided three instances of feedback. So of these instances, the first one was a suspicious word. Sorry, is this the correct word? This doesn't look right to us. So this writing sample is about hidden places in a city, and I was writing about Ansan Mountain. That is a very nice place to go. So I thought it was very speculative that this writing software chose to highlight the word mountain, and it didn't really provide much feedback other than this doesn't look right. So, I mean, I didn't really intend for this to be highlighted in the writing sample, but it could be hiking Ansan is very easy and only takes about 30 minutes to hike to the top. Or hiking the mountain is very easy and only takes about 30 minutes to hike to the top. Another instance of corrective feedback was for spelling correction, which it did highlight in this writing sample, the incorrect spelling of beautiful. So the thoughts on provided feedback, the program was not able to detect errors with indefinite and indefinite articles. I tried to provide a lot of incorrect uses of indefinite and indefinite articles, and there was really no instances provided in the feedback whatsoever. So a couple, one of the best places to visit in Seoul is Ansan Mountain. Then another one about prepositions as well. So at night you can see all of the city lights glowing and blinking. So the pros for this writing software, I would say it's immediate response time. It corrected erroneous spelling mistakes. It helped provide better suited vocabulary. It helped distinguish between the use of plural versus singular past tense be verbs. And then the cons, it missed Common Core errors that happened on multiple occasions, failed to determine verb conjugation errors, no feedback on punctuation, did not provide feedback on singular or plural errors. So I think this writing software is beneficial for quick feedback, but it is still not up to date as to provide accurate feedback on the global and local errors for very persistent errors that lie in a student's writing sample. All right, thank you for listening to my discussion. Thank you. Bye.